Ferrari F8 Tributo right here. It's a coupe, not the Spider. We just got done with the black one. This is actually a beautiful red one. It's spec'd out really, really nice. And now it has custom wheels, 21, 22-inch wheels, super concave wheels, 3-piece of course. They're fully brushed silver, so a little bit of a different style there. We made custom floating Ferrari caps, so the center caps actually float. You guys probably saw that in the video. It has Novitec suspension. It is currently slammed, so Novitec sends you springs that are also adjustable, so you're able to adjust them even lower. This is slam. We're actually a little too low on the back. We're gonna be adjusting the back a little bit to go up, so this is a little too low in the back. It has a Capristo exhaust system, which sounds really nice on it. And the roof. The roof is the main feature for me because I think that's really cool. This roof is actually wrapped. The previous white one we did 2-3 episodes ago, we painted it because that is the right way, because black wraps don't look amazing. But this is actually a clear bra. This is from Hexis Bodyfence material. It is a clear bra, but it's gloss black clear bra. So that thing actually protects the paint, and it's a super mirror gloss black, so it looks like paint, which is really cool. And you can protect it. If you want to do a whole car black, this is the way to go now. You get a clear bra that's gloss black. So really dope material from Bodyfence Hexis. That material is also super thick, so you know, you scratch it up, all that stuff, and it protects the paint, guaranteed. So yeah, other than that, it's a stock Ferrari F8, you know, and it looks amazing, drives great. It has the bumpy road shock feature, so even when it's slammed like this, you hit that button and it's actually pretty smooth. So a lot of people think Ferrari slammed like this is gonna be bumpy, it's crazy. It's not that bad, honestly, it still drives great. So there you have it, another Ferrari F8 in the books. We're gonna go raise the back a tad bit, and yeah, it's ready for the customer. So yeah, these wheels are not actually custom RDB wheels. They're by another company, and that company loves to just put their logo on the center cap. They don't even let you put the OEM caps, unfortunately, like the way we do. So we made these custom metal floating caps. As you can see, it's the Ferrari logo and it floats. So this goes on the center cap of the wheel and looks really nice, so you don't get that big branding on the wheel. So yeah.
Offer him, offer me.
I don't care, you and him.
What kind of person?
How's he gonna offer that? It's all bid.
Doesn't matter. You offer bread. In life, you offer bread.
Right, offer him bread.
Bread.
¿No puede sacarlas bien o qué?
¿Usted vio que yo la hice?
Sí, usted la hizo. ¿No la sacó bien?
¿Yo la hice? No.
Una moldura no la puede sacar bien.
¿Cuándo hice? ¿Ayer?
Ayer, ayer.
No, esta la desarmé hace como last week.
Bueno, el día que sea, pues mire.
Espérame, déjame luchar, pues.
¿Qué le va a hacer ahí? ¿Va a echar bando, fibra de vidrio o qué?
Ustedes no me dan comer a gusto, ¿verdad? Entonces usted, Marvin, Cheyito, Carlos, George, Sarkis, Beck.
A comer a su casa, pues. Está en hora de trabajo.
Agarré mi lunch a las 1:40. Todavía tengo 20 minutes.
Alright guys, another wide body Urus in the books. Don't be fooled, we do a lot of black ones. This is a fresh one, brand new car, and it has a 1016 Industries full carbon fiber wide body package on there, as you can see. Painted to match the body color, it's black, like I said. Really, really shiny, looks amazing. All the flares, obviously, we custom fabricate them to fit even better than they come. They fit pretty good, but we like to go even more flush, so we don't put any rubber seal in between, nothing. It's literally stuck to the body of the car perfectly. Diffuser carbon. It's got actually Vorsteiner wings on top, so it's not the typical 1016 wings we put on there. It's got the trunk spoiler and the roof spoiler from Vorsteiner, but the rest is 1016 Industries. Capristo Exhaust system, which we made famous for the Urus. It's a very, very good system for it. Carbon fiber tips, valved of course, so no downpipes because downpipes make it super loud. It's just cap back. The car is lowered, custom wheels right here, cut spoke, so you got that fat step lip right there. Incredible looking wheels, all gloss black to match the body color. So super shiny black. Vredestein tires, they're 24-inch, of course. Like I said, it's lowered extremely. It drives great. We do a lot of things to get this fitment. Nobody else in the world gets this fitment on the Urus. We do it so it looks amazing, how a wide body should. As you can see, the tire is literally flush, if not even more aggressive. We actually do certain tricks to the bottom of it to make it fit. But this body kit comes full, so we hollow it out in the bottom of it so the tire could actually go inside the flare and get this look, obviously. Carbon fiber side skirts painted to the theme to show some carbon fiber visible right there. Obviously the hood as well with the exposed carbon vents. Obviously the front wheels are also cut spoke and super deep as well because it is a wide body. This car also has a black and red interior, just like kind of like my car. So it looks honestly amazing. Black and red, can't go wrong with a black and red interior car. So yeah, another Urus in the books, super shiny one. Can't go wrong with the black. Obviously we've done every color so far. We have a gray one Luis is currently working on in the back, and I don't know what he's doing over there. Hey! Huracan STO is finished. The F8, as you guys see, there's a 48 over there. There's a SF90 over there. Got a lot of stuff going on as usual at the shop. Our wrap shop is kicking. We have a million wraps going on right now. But yeah, a lot of stuff. Let us know what you guys think about this all black wide body Urus.
That's a natural beauty. His has a fake lips. Mine is a natural. Imagine when you go out, you see a girl with fake lips, blown up lips, fake. That's his. Mine is natural. Everything seems natural.
Show us the stars though, isn't that not natural?
This is just like a makeup, a light makeup. And I can just change the colors. Red, blue, this is blue, orange, green, red. It's so sick. I have a shooting star too. Vic, do you want to make a wish? You want to sit in the car and make a wish? You can make a wish, look.
Make a wish what? Is that your girl line? Hey baby, come make a wish. Is this the brightest it gets? So if you press white once, it's like this.
Yeah.
If you press white again, it's like more just calm white.
And look at this. Just turn it off, look. Nothing.
Yeah, I know.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Right there.
Are you sure everything works?
Yeah. See?
Good job, man.
Hard work pays off.
Yeah.
Don't do it, you're gonna make it cry. What about now? Huh?
That's not a stock exhaust, so don't be happy. That's not a stock exhaust. So I'm just telling you, you see a girl with the fake lips, fake ass, just she's like, oh my god, it's so cute. But after watch, that's not a stock exhaust. You cannot. It's like you bring a body man and say he's a good mechanic. Same thing. Mine is stock, yours is not. How you feel like having a girl with a fake everything? Mine is natural.
All the richest people in the world have that.
Yeah, but only the billionaires, they have a stock girlfriend. Like Bugatti, Ferrari stock. Here there's a joke. You see a millionaire with like, they have like 10 million, they have like $3-4 million jewelry. You see a billionaire walking with the flip-flops and shorts. Same thing.